Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change currency on the Temu app. If you want to view prices in a different currency while shopping on Temu, you can easily change your preferred currency. What you need to do is you need to open your Temu app. And from here, once you get into this interface of your Temu, you need to go to your profile icon in the bottom. There's your U icon, select that. So over here, select the small setting gear in the top right. And from here, in order to change your currency here, select that currency. You also need to change to your country and region. So simply select that country and region. And over here, select the country and region that you prefer. And select switch. And that is it. It simply will also change the currency on the Temu app. And that is it. That's how you can change the currency on the Temu app. Once updated, you'll be able to browse product and view prices in your preferred currency. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.